Let us now talk about some of the strategies for teaching problem-solving techniques in the classroom. As we discussed, there are many different kinds of problem-solving models, some with 4 steps, 5 steps, 8 steps, 12 steps, and the terminology that is used in these models may be different, but they all use the same kind of basic fundamental approach. So it doesn't matter which model we choose to teach in the classroom. We can use any specific problem-solving method. Next, we have to teach that particular model or method in a specific context. That is, we have to give students a relevant and a simple and easy to understand example so that they can understand how this method can be used in real life. So teach with a specific context that they can relate to in their real life, in their day-to-day life. And we have to help students understand the problem. We have to teach them the technique of analyzing a problem, how to gather the data, and how to use some critical thinking. Next, some students may be fast, some students will be slow. So you have to give enough time for all the students to be able to understand and complete that particular problem. Next, we have to ask some questions, and we can also make some suggestions so that we are encouraging them to think. We are helping them to look at that particular problem from different angles. And by asking questions and making suggestions, we are stimulating their thought. Then, whenever the children make any errors, we have to link those errors to misconceptions. That is it a mistake or a misunderstanding? Is it a calculation error or an understanding error? So, link the errors to misconceptions. And after we have completed the teaching, we have to reinforce the learning with some revision or some practice. So, these are some of the strategies for teaching problem-solving techniques in the classroom.